Hello everyone, so if you want to apply a screen protector on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all turn off your screen. It will make things much easier now. Get some cloth, and if you have, add some couple drops of your cleaning solution. However, sometimes dry glass is gonna be enough, so make sure to clean off your screen of every kind of dust and dirt, which it definitely has it because you're using it by fingers, right? Now, when you've done with that, grab your screen protector and locate the sticky side. Usually this kind of sticker gives it off, right? So simply pull up the sticker. Now grab this sticky side where the sticker was applied and put it gently on your screen. Make sure to align the top and the bottom of it, right? Don't make mistakes like I just did. So make sure to align it well. Now align it with the sides of your phone so it goes good on your phone. And now simply let's push off all of the air which is being collected here. Now push it off. Don't worry about these little bubbles. It's not a big problem. They will disappear within a couple days of your active usage. And basically that's it. That's how you apply a screen protector on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.